Welcome back to the another video on Power BI. So today in this video we will see how we can get the latest NAV of any mutual fund. So in Excel file we were able to get the latest stock price, but we were not able to get the latest NAV or latest price of the mutual fund. So by this way you will be able to fetch the latest NAV of any mutual fund. So first you have to visit the Google Finance website. I will paste this link into the description. And after coming here, you have to select any of the mutual fund of which you want to get the latest NAV. So suppose I am taking Mirai Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund Growth. Let's say I am taking this. You have to copy this and then you have to open a Google spreadsheet. Once you have opened that, you have to select the blank one. You can give the date or senior number and the name of the mutual fund, and after that latest price. So you can give the name as Mirai, and for this you have to simply paste this over here. You can rename it as code, and in this column D you can give the latest price. But make sure you should remove this extra space from here. Once that is done, you have to go into the D column. You have to use Google Finance formula. You have to select this C2, which will load the current NAV. So for today's date, the NAV is 113.92. It will keep on changing as the NAV price changes. So basically it will give you the latest NAV, and you can fetch this data into the Power BI to get you can build a report based on it to have an interactive dashboard. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.